The Slovenian Democratic Party is walking the road of success. I am convinced in your ability to win and to lead Slovenia in the creation of new deeds and values. I am convinced because I believe in our common idea, because I know that you have educated, capable, and full of knowledge people to tackle all challenges. I know this because I have faith in your dedication and your responsible approach. Your party's program is strong. It provides answers to the people's demands. It recognizes people's needs and offers quality projects for the benefits of Slovenia. New employments, new cycles of economic development and growth of Slovenia, and realization of the ideal for justice in reality are the pillars which will bring a new value in Slovenia.